Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, so this problem with the setup is integrating the cross product of RU and RV, which can be computed by taking the derivative, then take their cross product and the absolute value. We get 1 plus u squared, the square root of that. That should be computed by the standard cross product formula. And the end we get is square root 1 plus u squared integral. So the way to deal with it is substitute u equals tangent theta, and we get this integral of secant cube theta, which you can find quite a lengthy procedure, but that should be the answer you get at the end. And you can find the integral of secant cube theta from chapter 7 of the book.